It's amazing, and definitely it's in San Diego, so I'm so excited for this weather. Just meeting all these girls, I've already been with them for like 30 minutes, and I feel like I've already clicked. It's like a big family. So, since freshman year is kind of where I started getting competitive with it. Yeah, I love the hills. I do a lot better on hills, and I heard it was a little bit of a tough course, so that puts me at an advantage. I feel like it's a blessing. I'm so excited. It's going to be a lot of fun out there, and I know that just if I have faith, I can do whatever I put my mind to, and the training that I've been doing is going to get me ready for something like this. Some of the girls I have, and they've all seemed to say like they've had a blast. On Facebook, they're all tagging me in all their comments about how excited they were, and it was getting me so pumped for today to be here. I do. I feel like whoever wants to go for it is going to be able to take over. So, I mean, I definitely have high hopes for that, but just whatever happens, happens. And I definitely know that if I believe in myself, anything's possible. Being able to meet all of these people, being in a new place, somewhere new where I can experience new things and just have a good time.